So let's begin. Materials that are required are drawing sheet, pencil, eraser, a blade or scissors, compass, ruler. To begin with, let's take the ruler and pencil. We will have to measure 15 centimeters. Let me just zoom in a little so that you can see the measurements clearly. Okay, so you will have to measure 15 centimeters. Draw a square of 15 centimeters on your drawing sheet. Once you have marked your measurements, you can use scissors or blade to cut out the square sheet. Okay, so now we have the square sheet ready. We will start making the stencils on this square sheet. Okay, so now let's take the compass. We will start to take measurements and create the stencils on this square sheet of paper, starting with a small circle of 0.5 centimeters. I hope you are able to see the measurements clearly. The first circle will be of 0.5 centimeters. Before starting off with the circle, you will have to first mark a center point. For that, we will take measurement as to half of 15 centimeter, which is our square sheet. So it will be 7.5 centimeters. Mark your center point at 7.5 centimeters. Make sure you're marking it from all the four sides. So this will be my center point. I hope the center point is clearly visible to you. Now using this center point, we will start to draw circles accordingly. So as I said earlier, we will take the first circle as at 0.5 centimeters. As you can see, it's kind of difficult to draw the circle like the way I am doing right now, but instead you can turn the paper around like I'm showing so that the circle comes perfectly. So we have our first circle ready. Next, we'll go to the second circle. For the second circle, we will take the measurement as 1 centimeter. For the second circle, again you will start by keeping the center point as is. Now our second circle is ready. For the third circle, we will take the measurement as 2 centimeters. Again, make sure that you are keeping the center point constant. Now the third circle is ready. For the fourth circle, we will be taking measurement of 3 centimeters. Now the fourth circle is ready. For the fifth circle, we will take the measurement as 4 centimeters. Now we have the fifth circle ready. For the sixth one, we will take the measurements as 5 centimeters. We are done with 6 circles. Now for the next one, the measurement will be 6 centimeters. Now this one would be our final circle, whose measurement will be 7 centimeters. Now we have completed the circular section. Next, we will have to draw lines through the center and diagonally. You can start to draw the line through the center, but to be more precise, first we will mark the center of the sheet at 7.5 centimeters at the top as well as at the bottom of the sheet. Similarly, we'll have to do it the left hand side and right hand side. Now that we have the lines through the center point, we will have to focus on 2 diagonal lines. Now how do we get that? For that, we will take the measurement of 3.5 centimeters. Now take this point where the line and the circle are meeting, the last circle. Draw an arc on either sides, like how I am doing. Repeat this step on all the sides where the circle and line are meeting. We have 4 arcs now. Remember, the measurement of the arc is 3.5 centimeters. Now that we have all the arcs ready, we will mark point where it is meeting the circle. We will have to join these lines and create diagonals. It might be confusing as to which arc to arc should we draw the lines. So I'll mark the numbers accordingly so that there won't be any confusion. This one should go with this one. So 1 and 1. This one with this one. 3 and 3. Finally 4 and 4. Now we will join these lines. By joining this final line, we have our template ready. If you want, you can also draw another small circle at the center, but it's optional. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Stay tuned for more such videos. And remember, Craft and Canvas loves you.